In this video, we're going to install the newest, fastest, and most unique streaming build of 2026. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we're going to go ahead and get started. First and foremost, I will say you will need a Debrid service. That's Real Debrid, All Debrid, Premiumized, Tor box, some type of Debrid service will make this work so much better. If you do not have one of those things, you may want to look into it because this will not work. This build will not work without one of those services. So we're going to go through here and hit the gear. Go to System. Go down to Add-ons. We're going to want to turn on Show Notifications, so we'll see when things are updated. We will also want to turn on Unknown Sources and then click Yes. We're okay with that. About official add-ons, I do turn on any repository in some case, things like YouTube or something needs to be updated, but that's up to you. You do not have to turn on that last this setting. You can leave it as regular Kodi if you want. I do prefer to turn on Advanced, Expert, and then we're going to go to File Manager. We're going to add this source. We're going to type that in as it is there. This will also be down below if you're slow to type. This doesn't matter, but this does. So you can call it whatever you want. So we go here to Add-ons. Install from a zip. You will see there's the repo, the one I just added. And we see that my repository 1.6, that's the version we're going to use. We don't want to install the wizard by itself. Let's install the repository first. Here's the repository. Now install from repository. Go to Butcher's repository, program add-ons. We're going to the wizard. We're going to want to click to install. And as you see, we had it installed. Gives a small error on the very first installation, which is not a big deal. And so now we're going to go ahead and go into the wizard itself. And hit Open, Build menu. Go down here to KISS, install. Hit continue, let it do its thing. At the end, it will want to force close. Again, this will depend on your internet speed as well as the device that you're doing it on. Some devices will do this quicker than others, but you just let it do its thing. There's no input needed until you get to the very end. On boot up of the fresh one, we'll get this. So we're going to want to turn on saving our tracked and Debrid information. I would suggest to do that. You can also turn on favorites. This will allow you to keep your favorites as on updates. So if the build updates, you will keep your favorites. So that can be turned on or off. It's just up to you. But you definitely want to have that on. And hit OK. And now, let it do its thing again. On the very first boot up, we will be getting some plugins that will install. If you find that they don't install correctly, reboot reboot Kodi, and you shall find those things to be fixed. But again, we're going to want to see that on the very first. I'm going to go ahead and hit shut down again. Let's see if things update again. All right, we're going to get the pop-up from information you'll get. Again, this is just an information that I put for people. And we're ready to go. So from here, you will need to go to favorites. And if you have an RD account, you'll need to enter it. Authorized through these two here, and then you're ready to roll. I have some videos in links down below that will go more in depth than what I can do on YouTube. But if you have any questions, please post them on here. This should work on all devices. Let me know if you're having some issues. We'll see you on the next one.